Air fryers have become some of the most popular kitchen appliances in recent years, and for good reason. Rather than relying on a vat of oil to cook food, air fryers circulate hot air efficiently within a compact cooking space, cutting down on the mess and greasiness often associated with deep frying. One of the things I like best about air fryer cooking is that there's often no need to preheat, so cooking takes less time. So in this video, we have compiled a list and reviewed the top 5 best air fryers you can buy right now. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Let's get started. Number 5. Ninja DoubleStack XL Air Fryer. Fish sticks and fries require different cooking times and temperatures, so what do you do if you want to cook both at once? This air fryer solves this dilemma with 2 independent 5-quart compartments. Even better, there are removable metal racks within each compartment, so your sweet potato fries won't mingle with your regular fries, and mozzarella sticks won't get attached to breaded shrimp. This fryer has just 6 functions: air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. But those are sufficient for everything we like to cook. It has a maximum temperature of 450 degrees, which is enough to get food nice and crisp. Overall, we are impressed with its performance, particularly the air-fried salmon. We also like how the vertical stacking means a slim design that takes up less counter space. There's a learning curve with this machine since food cooks differently depending on whether you're using one basket or 2. There was a bit of trial and error during testing, but it didn't take long to figure it out. For sure, food benefits from being tossed or flipped during cooking. This is undoubtedly a more expensive option, but if you regularly need to air fry different foods at the same time, it's a much better option than having multiple air fryers. Number 4. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer. Breville is known for high-quality appliances, and this smart oven is no exception. And yes, we think of it as a countertop oven that can also air fry, rather than an air fryer that might also make your toast. But there's more. It's large enough to handle a 13-inch pizza, or almost an entire bag of frozen fries without stacking. Even better, it comes with a pizza pan, baking pans, and an air fry basket that fits the oven perfectly, so you won't need to buy accessories. Those who have used Breville products will be familiar with the controls and display, which are easy to use, read, and understand. But the proof is in the cooking, and in tests, this air fryer performed exceptionally well, whether we were making fries, baking cookies, or broiling meats and vegetables. Sheet pan suppers are no problem with this countertop workhorse. Be aware that the glass gets hot, so it's wise to grab a mitt to open the door, just to be safe. The Breville has a removable crumb tray that keeps the bottom of the oven clean, and while its other parts aren't dishwasher safe, they were easy enough to clean by hand. Number 3. Instant Pot Vortex Plus 10-quart Air Fryer. The name Instant Pot is practically synonymous with electric pressure cookers, but the company has much more to offer, like the impressive Vortex Air Fryer. It's so different from the competition that it's hard to think of it as the same appliance. It's more of a countertop oven that can also air fry. It did an amazing job with all of the air frying tasks and cooks evenly despite its 10% quart capacity. The rotisserie basket and spit are nice extras that you won't find in most air fryers. A whole chicken cooked in just 45 minutes, and it was every bit as good as a traditional oven-roasted bird. But we found other great uses for the rotisserie too. The rotation and jostling might not be the best for breaded or delicate foods, but it's ideal for French fries. You won't have to worry about flipping them during cooking. When not using the rotisserie basket, the oven utilizes a tray for cooking. You can't really shake foods mid-cooking, so have your tongs or a spatula ready. Because the tray gets hot, a mitt is required to remove it from the oven, much like any cooking pan. Cleanup is a breeze since all the removable parts are dishwasher safe, including the drip pan. The manual suggested lining that drip pan with foil, but considering how easy it was to clean, we didn't feel that was necessary. Number 2. Ninja AF 101-quart Air Fryer. We've long appreciated Ninja's reputation for creating reliable and user-friendly kitchen appliances, and this air fryer continues that trend impressively. During testing, it stood out for its simple controls and intuitive design, allowing us to start cooking without constantly referring to the instruction manual. Performance was consistently excellent across a variety of foods, from crispy French fries to juicy shrimp and flavorful chicken wings. The wings, in particular, delivered outstanding results with perfectly crispy skin and tender, juicy meat inside, making them some of the best we tested. Cleanup was also hassle-free thanks to the dishwasher-safe basket and crisper plate, which saved both time and effort. Beyond air frying, the unit includes convenient presets for reheating, roasting, and dehydrating, adding versatility for different cooking needs. However, while the dehydrating feature is useful for small snacks or garnishes, the compact 4-quart basket limits how much food can be prepared at once. Its shape also makes cooking larger batches less efficient, requiring multiple rounds to ensure even cooking. For example, we had to divide our coconut shrimp into several smaller batches for the best results. Number 1. Cosori TurboBlaze Air Fryer. This is a newer version of the Cosori Pro LE Air Fryer we previously had as our best overall pick, and it's a worthy upgrade thanks to new features and a larger interior. Like the Pro LE, this has controls on top of the machine and a button on the handle that must be pressed to release the basket. There's a rack on the bottom of the basket that keeps food raised for better airflow. It also comes with a detailed recipe book with more. We air-fried all the usual suspects to test this machine: chicken wings, fries, Brussels sprouts, frozen breaded shrimp, and more. We were pleased with the results for it all. The wings were a lovely mahogany brown and crisp, and the next day we reheated some with barbecue sauce, and that worked just as well. We also used it to reheat pizza and cook hot dogs while we toasted buns. The buns were a little over-toasted but not inedible. We love that this air fryer has low temperature settings, like proof for bread dough and warm for gently warming food or for keeping it warm after cooking. Meanwhile, the air fry, roast, broil, and frozen presets are all grouped under one setting, turbo. Of course, temperatures can also be adjusted, but the range depends on which preset you choose. Proof and warm will get you to the low temperatures, but those low temperatures aren't available if you choose bake or broil. Overall, we love the versatile features of Cosori's TurboBlaze Air Fryer and think it's a great upgrade from the Pro LE. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect welder. If you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each welder. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.